So what is NewsSpotter?
NewsSpotter is a broadcast system we developed over the last 4 or 5 years to refine it to what it is today. And it gives broadcasters the opportunity to broadcast at dedicated bandwidth, any speeds from 512 kilobits right up to 10 meg, and that's duplex, so we can come down dedicated as well. Alongside it is another service which we call Best Efforts, and what that does, that gives them up to 30 meg down and up to 6 meg up, and that's payable by what goes over the satellite. It's over the last few years, it's expanded a lot, and people like BBC, CNN, Sky, and about 200 other customers are now using it.
But specifically, why use satellite broadband for broadcast?
The reason is because there are other services like 4G, which are generally very good. The problem is that as it's getting more congested, it's slowing things down. In fact, in some areas, in busy environments, you actually fall off air. So what's happening is more and more people are using satellite, probably together with 4G. It gives them a very, very resilient form of broadcast.
What about affordability of the service and the systems?
So the price is becoming very, very acceptable now. We've got equipment for under £1,000 going all the way up to like £10,000–15,000. But actually the affordability typically for somebody streaming to the web will be under £2,000 or £3,000, and they're probably broadcasting for under £50 an hour because they only need 2 to 3 megabytes uplink.
And what sort of technical knowledge or expertise do I need to operate NewsSpotter competently?
Well, the training, we give training for free at our Bicester headquarters here in the UK near Oxford. And the training is normally only for like 2 to 3 hours, and it teaches them how to find the satellite, how to use the portal. It's really, the skill set is quite low, but now we've got low affordability auto acquire antennas. They really just need an iPhone or a mobile phone and press a button. It's that automated.
And if I don't want to use the public internet, what options do I have?
Well, there we've got a partnership with a company in London who are based in London Telehouse North, and we've got fibre running from the teleports through to London, and we can route all the traffic through to London, and then we can hand off to their own networks or put you back on the public internet if that's what you want. And that's really important for people who are worried about security.
Okay. And what's the future looking like for broadcast over satellite?
Well, that's very interesting because the market is growing, because a lot of there's young companies coming in, they're doing extreme sports, they're doing all sorts of events now, and with the new satellite going up next year, we're going to be able to offer around about 100 meg down, 30 meg up, unlimited packages, and it's going to change the world of broadcast. It's going to make it really affordable for everybody, and the coverage is going to be the whole of Europe and the entirety of Africa.